Traveling without insurance can be risky, and choosing the right provider is crucial. Today, we're diving into my experience with AIG Travel Guard to see if it lives up to the hype. AIG Travel Guard is one of the most recognized names in travel insurance. They offer coverage for trip cancellations, medical emergencies, lost luggage, and even travel delays. Most people assume all travel insurance is the same, but here's the surprising truth. The level of coverage and claims responsiveness can vary widely, and that's where AIG stands out. I tested a standard plan during a recent trip. The sign-up process was simple. Just enter your trip details, select coverage, and get an instant quote. Pricing is competitive, though not the cheapest. What impressed me most was the clarity of the policy. Every exclusion, coverage limit, and requirement was clearly explained, which eliminated confusion during my trip. The real test came when a minor medical emergency occurred abroad. Submitting a claim was straightforward through their online portal. Response times were fast, and I received reimbursement quickly. One minor downside is that some advanced coverage options, like pre-existing medical conditions, require an additional review, which can take time. In conclusion, AIG Travel Guard is a reliable choice if you value peace of mind and responsive claims handling. For travelers seeking comprehensive protection and clear policies, it's worth the investment. Subscribe for more travel insurance reviews, tips on getting the right coverage, and advice to travel safely without stress.